Hi there, and welcome to this week's Energy Market Wrap from Enverus. Let's dive into the top stories shaping the energy landscape. We start in the Haynesville, where Expand Energy has made a bold move into the emerging western portion of the play. The company secured 75,000 net acres and drilled a promising vertical appraisal well. It's planning its first horizontal well this quarter to validate the resource. Expand also signed a 15-year gas supply agreement for the Lake Charles methanol project, positioning itself as a key player in future hydrogen production. Staying in the Haynesville, Momentum Midstream's NG3 pipeline is now online, delivering gas to the Gillis hub. Expand Energy is the anchor shipper, reserving 700 million cubic feet per day. The pipeline includes a carbon capture component and is expandable to 2.2 billion cubic feet per day. In East Texas, Amplify Energy is exiting the region with two deals totaling $127 million. The divestitures align with its strategy to simplify its portfolio and focus on higher return assets like Beta Offshore California and Bay Royal in Colorado. Over in the Marcellus, EnCap Investments raised more than $2 billion for Penn Energy Resources. The capital will support development and bolt-on acquisitions, reinforcing Penn Energy's position as a top-tier Appalachian gas producer. Meanwhile, EQT Corp has fully integrated its $1.8 billion Olympus acquisition in just 34 days. It's already drilling faster and cheaper on the new acreage. EQT also upsized its MVP Boost pipeline expansion to 600 million cubic feet per day, with strong utility demand backing 20-year contracts. Let's shift back to the midstream space. Phillips 66 completed the first phase of its Coastal Bend pipeline expansion, boosting Y-grade volumes to 225,000 barrels per day. The company also formed a joint venture with Kinder Morgan to build the Western Gateway pipeline, aiming to supply gasoline to California and Arizona. In renewables, Honeywell launched a new biocrude upgrading technology that converts biomass into renewable marine fuel, gasoline, and sustainable aviation fuel. The modular design promises lower costs and faster deployment. On the oilfield services front, NOV's CEO says Deepwater and international land markets are poised to outpace U.S. shale. NOV's offshore equipment backlog hit a record $4.56 billion, with strong demand from projects in Guyana, Brazil, and the Black Sea. Also in OFS, Halliburton is cutting jobs and slashing capex for 2026, anticipating flat activity. The company stacked frac fleets and took a $169 million severance charge in Q3, signaling a cautious outlook for North America. And finally, in capital markets, Citizen Energy Ventures launched a $20 million retail private placement fund targeting the Cherokee Formation in the Anadarko Basin. It's a strategic move to tap into long-life reserves and broaden its investor base. That concludes this week's Energy Market Wrap from Enverus. Thank you for listening. Keep your finger on the pulse of the energy industry with Enverus publications. Our experienced writers cut through the noise and deliver insights that help you stay ahead of the curve. To learn more, reach out to businessdevelopment@enverus.com or visit www.enverus.com.